Hi there everyone, it's me Bijoya once again before you and welcome back to this brand new special vlog. Hope you guys are cool and dandy by the grace of Almighty, and me too, as we'll visit Green Valley Park and Upazila of Nator district today. So today you will see that alluring place by me. So no more delay, let's go on to the video. We started our journey from Tangal at 7 o'clock in the morning. From here, you can go by any vehicles such as bus, auto, cars, CNG, bike, but I prefer cars or bus to reach there fast. Finally, we reached Green Valley Park after 4 hours long journey. This Lalpur Thana is the second largest Upazila in Nator district in terms of size. We entered through the grand entrance of Green Valley Park by cutting our own tickets, and as soon as we entered, we saw a huge parking lot for the visitors. This one is called Dream Forest, the most amazing spot. We entered to the Dream Forest by cutting our own tickets again. Though it is crowded, we entered there to roam around and to visit the beautiful spot. Green Valley Park in beautiful pictures. This park is spread over an area of about 130 bika. The park has a variety of attractions for visitors of all ages, including children to old people. What a fool, I thought it was being photographed here. I was roaming around through the park and enjoying the beauty of the park a lot. Other facilities of Green Valley Park include shooting spots, picnic spots, Avengers concert and playground, and many more amusements, as well as seminar space and residential facilities also. Green Valley Park is a vast amusement park built in the natural environment and has become the heart of the all entertainment of the loving visitors from all ages. The park is very similar to the name Green Valley and the green natural environment, and the beauty of the park fascinates the visitors with its greeny and lush vegetation. It's the love tree and it's so beautiful, and there are also Flower Valley. As a flower lover, it becomes my favorite space, and I spend a long time there for the speech of my mind. So this is the Flower Valley, the most beautiful space. Inside the park, there are many rides for the entertainment of small children, including Nagardola, Charki, and many more things. This bike is built in a beautiful natural environment. There are many properties in the park, and I just loved the park a lot. When I roamed around everywhere, I just can imagine that. So now it's already 6 o'clock in the evening, and now we have to say goodbye to this beautiful park. And I wish if I could visit this park again, and I will try. So now we have to say goodbye. So stay well, stay safe everyone, and see you in the next video.